Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be mixing up some polygel so that I can do my nails finally. So this is going to be a mixing video, okay? What I've planned on doing is mixing the ModelOnes Acrygel in clear and the creamy white. It's not a bright white. It says bright white, but it's not. It's a creamy white. I'm going to mix the creamy white with gold. And then I'm going to also mix the clear with gold for like my accent nail. Never done the white before with the glitter mixes, but you guys know I want to add some glitter with my polygel. So I got all kinds of glitters out here. I have this. I thought it would be absolutely stunning. This is by Creative Claws. She's on Instagram. I do have a 10% off discount code. If you guys want to order some glitters through her, I'm going to flash that discount code here. It is babygirl10. She makes some really stunning glitter mixes, and I've used quite a few of them, and this is something I haven't used yet, and I thought white and gold is perfect. And you guys know fall is approaching. I just wanted to do a gold and white set. I thought it would look beautiful. I have some of this foil, which I thought I would incorporate all kinds of foil. I got some gold glitter. Actually, I think these are flakes. Yeah, these are flakies. I'm going to use some of those. I'm going to use these flakies from the Beauty Big Bang. These are the Aurora Chameleon flakies. And it has like that gold shimmer to it, so I wanted to use those. I've got these beautiful blue mermaid scales, and then when you like turn it, it gives like a kind of like a goldish, a little bit of a gold effect. Anyway, I wanted to add a little bit of the blue. I have this glitter that a friend sent me, and then I have some more little flake mermaid. I have some more little mermaid scales that are like orange, and then these definitely turn like a gold, so I'm going to add some of those. And then I also have this from Creative Claws. This is her rose gold and gold, and I was going to incorporate some of that also. So I have a little pot here. This is the mix that I did. I know you guys remember that one. It's still perfect. Like, I could do probably a whole set with this. So I mix quite a bit, and then I store it for later. We're going to use the bright white first. I've never mixed white with glitters before, so I don't know how this is going to go. Hoping it will go well. And I'm going to mix up a big batch of it. So we're going to squeeze that polygel out. And I am going to be using dual forms, and I've never used dual forms with glitters and polygel. So we're going to see how that works in the next video. First is this. We got to get to mixing. So I'm going to go ahead and squeeze out my white and my clear, and I'll be back. Alright, we have the white and the clear squeezed out. Here's the clear, here's the white. So I'm going to put some of these in. Alright, and then the rest in the clear. That way they kind of match, you know what I'm saying? Like, I want to have them to be matching. Okay, so let's get all that out of there. A little bit of the blue in there. Same with the clear. Sorry guys, I should have put them both here. A little bit more in the clear. These I got on Born Pretty store. If I can find a link, I'll put it down below. And I'm going to use is the Apollo. And we're going to mix that into this mix here. Now these are a little chunkier, so I don't know how this is going to work. We'll see. We'll do it. I am going to put a little bit of this rose gold in the clear. Trying not to get one of those big Chanel things. Oh, I think I did. Yep. That's okay, I can pull that right out. There we go. Alright, so that's good for that one. Alright, now with the flakies, Oh, I've never used this one. Ooh, let me turn that fan away. Oh, look at that. That is so pretty. It's got a little hint of green. I'm going to mix this in here with the clear. Wow, it's going everywhere. Alright, and just a little bit here with the white. I may have to add more polygel. Alright. Now, time for the foils. I am going to use... I don't know how this is going to work with the foils, honestly. I'm just going to take a foil and just start trying to... It's going to be some big pieces, some little pieces. Oh my goodness, it's sticking to my finger. Alright. As I'm mixing, those foils should break up. So that's good. I'm not going to add any more foils. Those are kind of hard to add. Those you want to kind of put on top of the nail. But that's okay. Okay guys, so I used foils. I used this Aurora Chameleon pigment from Beauty Big Bang. 2 of Creative Claws glitters. And those mermaid scales. Now, it's time to mix. You're going to get all that polygel, and you're just going to mix it right up in there. Oh, that's so pretty already, guys. Believe me, I know it looks like a big chunk of mess. A big chunk of poop. But it really will look good once we get it on the nail. And it looks like some of it's coloring the polygel. But I think that's going to be so pretty. I'm in here, and I'm going to start mixing this up. We may need to add, yeah, I'm going to have to add some more white. Just because these glitters are a bit chunkier. Now, I will say the polygel works fabulous with thinner glitters, but because I'm doing it with a dual form, it should be fine. I'm going to add some more white, mix it up, and we'll be back. Alright guys, as you can see, this mix is ready to go. It's only been setting for like 5 minutes. Let me turn the light on so you guys can see. Let's see. Okay. And then this one here, as you can see, it's starting to level out. This is our white. Alright, so now if you guys want to see what these look like on my nails, stay tuned for the next video. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that. This is just a little mix with me video, mixing polygels with glitters. You guys know that I love to do that. I like experimenting with things. If you guys haven't seen any of my previous polygel and glitter mixes, go check those out. I will link them in the little eye at the top of the screen. So go check those out if you'd like. And stay tuned because we're going to be doing a whole set of nails using this polygel and dual forms. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the like button if you like the video. Share it with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. Come back and see me again soon, guys. Bye.